A friendly gardener shared the secret to fertilizing cucumbers with me. Since then, I've been collecting full buckets. The harvest is large, and the cucumbers are juicy and full of flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to a larger bowl. It acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil and improves nutrient absorption. The next ingredient is dry yeast. Yeast is a source of vitamins for plants, stimulating the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which supports plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons. Wood ash is also very important. It contains potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are essential for flowering and fruiting. Additionally, it helps neutralize the soil. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix the dry ingredients. Then, pour in about 7 ounces of lukewarm water and mix well. Let it sit for 2 hours to activate the ingredients. After that, prepare a 10-gallon bucket of water. Pour in the mixture you've prepared and stir. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once a week, preferably in the evening, around the base of the plants. The cucumbers will grow faster and be more resistant to diseases. From one bed, you'll collect so many that you'll be giving whole bags to your neighbors. This is all you need for healthy tomatoes. It replaces a million other fertilizers. It's a versatile product with a use in gardening, especially for growing tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to a bowl. Baking soda disinfects, reduces soil acidity, and prevents fungal growth. Now add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. The oil creates a light protective layer on the leaves, making it harder for insects to reach the plant. Next, add 1 tablespoon of any liquid soap. The soap helps the mixture stick better to leaf surfaces. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Pour 5 liters, about 1 1/3 gallons of water into a garden sprayer. Add the prepared mixture. Close and shake well. Now spray the tomato leaves, both on top and underneath. This natural solution effectively repels insects and pests. It protects against powdery mildew and fungi. Apply once a week, and your tomatoes will be healthier, stronger, and more resistant. No chemicals and no unnecessary expenses. This is stronger than anything you've tried so far in the battle against powdery mildew. You'll eliminate the disease in just 1 day. I'll show you 2 mixtures you need to know. Start by preparing a larger jar. Add 3 tablespoons of garden sulfur. Sulfur acts as a disinfectant, inhibits spore development, and strengthens plant immunity. Pour in 33.8 ounces of water and mix well. The powder must dissolve. Transfer the solution to a sprayer and remember to dilute it with 169 ounces of clean water. Spray the leaves with this mixture. It's an effective protective barrier against powdery mildew. Regular spraying will stop the infection, but that's not all. You can also use this white powder. Baking soda has alkaline properties. It creates an environment where fungi can't survive. Add the baking soda to the sprayer. Dissolve 1.8 ounces of baking soda in 338 ounces of water. Use it the same way as the first mixture. With these 2 solutions, your plants will gain a natural shield against powdery mildew, and you'll strengthen your entire garden's immunity. This solution works throughout the whole season. Just a tablespoon of this, and the weeds will dry up like they've been treated with the strongest herbicide. It destroys the entire plant, even down to the roots. When you spot them on the pavement in front of your house, you'll definitely want to get rid of them as quickly as possible. This method contains no harmful ingredients and is very affordable. In a large container, pour 10 ounces of water. The next ingredient is vinegar, which blocks the growth of the weeds. Add 10 ounces of vinegar to the container. Now it's time for the red powder. It irritates the leaves and burns the plants from the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of hot red pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of table salt. The salt enters the plant cells and draws out the water, causing them to wilt. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will help the mixture stick to the leaves more effectively. Mix everything thoroughly and vigorously. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth to remove small particles and get a clear liquid. Spray the weeds directly on the leaves and at the base. Within just a few hours, the plants will start wilting. They'll disappear without a trace. You won't need any store-bought chemicals anymore. This is an affordable method that really works. You can make this drip irrigation system yourself, and it won't cost you a thing. I no longer worry about my plants when it's dry because I've found a brilliant solution. They stay watered even when I'm not in the garden. Building this drip system doesn't take much time. First, grab a plastic water bottle and a larger container. Cut the bottom off the large container with a utility knife. Make sure the smaller bottle fits inside it. Use a soldering iron to make a small hole in the water bottle. It should be lower than the top edge of the cut container. Next, take an old towel and cut a strip from it. Wrap the towel strip in aluminum foil, as shown in the video. Don't wrap it too tightly. Water needs to flow through it. Cut off the tip of the towel wrapped in foil. Fill the water bottle with water. This will be your reservoir. Screw the cap on tightly. The water won't flow yet. When you unscrew the cap slightly, it will start to drip. As long as the hole in the bottle is lower than the edge of the container, it won't overflow. Place the towel wick, wrapped in foil, into the container. Set the water bottle on top, making sure water can drip freely. Open the bottle to let water start flowing. When the container fills up, tighten the bottle cap to control the flow. Eventually, water will begin dripping from the end of the towel, providing consistent, even watering to your plants. It might take a moment for the first drops to appear, but the results are absolutely worth it. A simple and effective DIY drip irrigation system. Place this under the table, and ants will never appear on it again. A simple trick will ensure that no ant will climb onto it. It doesn't matter if you have a table on the balcony, terrace, or in the garden. No ant will touch anything on your table anymore, not even their favorite sugar. No picnic, barbecue, or party will be spoiled by the sight of ants eating the treats meant for guests. My aunt showed me this trick, and I couldn't believe how simple it is. Place small bowls under the table legs. Instead of bowls, you can use jar lids. Place them precisely under the table legs. They will act as an impassable barrier for ants. All you need to do is pour water into them. Ants avoid water. This will block their path to the table. They won't be able to reach the tabletop. You can even keep sugar on it without worrying about finding ants in it. This simple water trick will protect you from these insects in the garden. Since I saw this method at my neighbor's house, I've been saving a lot of time in the garden. We all dream of a garden full of flowers, fragrant herbs, or our own vegetables. It takes patience and time. However, sometimes a small trick can work wonders and make a gardener's life much easier. With this trick, everything looks completely different. Take a fairly large box, plastic or wooden. Put the entire package of the appropriate soil inside. Carefully cut the film on top with a knife. It's best to do this on each side, close to the edges, so that a rectangular shape forms. Make small holes in the soil for the seedlings. Place the flowers or other plants in. After planting, gently press down, water, and you're done. No spilled soil, no mess, and no carrying heavy pots. An effective and quick way to work in the garden. It's a great way to organize space, especially when you don't have much time to focus on every little detail. Do this once, and you'll save time and energy for other gardening pleasures.